Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to control who can comment on your Instagram posts using the latest update on PC. If you want to keep your interactions more positive and limit comments to people you actually know or follow, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get straight into it. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see the 3 horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account controls and privacy options. After you enter Settings, look for the section labeled Comments. Click on it to open your comment controls. Now here's the important part. You'll see different options for who can comment on your posts. To keep things more personal and secure, choose the option that says people you follow and your followers.